What's up, guys? FC King Game here, and back with another video, unboxing video. And I'm starting soccer next year, and I went online on Academy, and I got some shin guards, beastie, cause they got ankle braces on your ankle, they go around them, and like if someone kicks you in the ankle, right? If you got like low tops or high tops, they don't hurt. So yeah, let me put on my shirt. And then I got this box. It was in the package, and I got it out. I haven't checked it yet, but it does say Messi right there, size 8. I got some big ass feet, so let's open it. Messi shoes right here. These are pretty beastie. Let's see, okay. I like the glitter because it looks like glitters on here, and I just like this design right here in the front. And then I like the design in the bottom because something came up. And because it got some Messi logo, then it has like soft spots right here. So I do like these pretty much. And I do like the silver part, and then I like the Messi logo right here. And so I like the thing. Built to win inside. Built to win inside. Whatever. Adidas is in the back. I like that. I never had Adidas shoes. So I do like these. Here's the other pair. Right here. Because I am starting soccer this season. But I didn't know there were freaking Messi shoes. I didn't know there were Messi shoes. I'm joking. I didn't know were there Messi shoes. But I do like them. Built to win. I do like them. And I got those. Oh, other ones too. Let me put this in. It's another Adidas. It's another Adidas. Oh, it comes with the thing. It comes with this thing. Okay, that was weird. 2 Messi shoes. Oh shit! These are different freaking sizes. Papa!